Hi, this is Josh Scheibelhut, Safety and Health Coordinator with Indiana Michigan Power. And as you can see behind me, I'm with a crew of line mechanics from southeast Kentucky. They're using what we call a backyard machine or a mini derrick. And what they've used that for was to get into a very tight yard, completely fenced in on all sides. And they use that to actually bring a new pole in, set the pole, and now they've reattached the end of it to add a bucket on so a mechanic could get in that bucket and get up there and put the lines back up. And I'm just going to give you a little view here. We've got a primary line down from pole to pole here. This entire neighborhood's fenced in for the most part. Makes it very difficult for us to get trucks and equipment back here. So this special piece of equipment is being deployed today so that we can finish up some of the restoration efforts. With that being said, I want to thank all of our customers for their patience and understanding as we work through this difficult weather to try and get your power restored. We have 630 employees and contractors working 16-hour days right now through this cold weather to try and get the power back up. This has been extremely challenging for us with the freeze and thaw and the additional snow that we had the other night. It's creating icy conditions. It's tough for us to travel to get in the locations we need to get to. A lot of the work is in backyards such as this one here. So again, I just want to thank everybody for your patience. Our folks have been safe. We've had no accidents or injuries at this point, which is a fantastic thing. And we are also following the COVID-19 precautions to try and keep everybody healthy, because at the end of the day, we want to get your power back on, and we want to send all of our employees and our contractors that have come from multiple states as far away as Oklahoma and West Virginia. We want to send those folks home safe and healthy. So again, thanks for your patience, everyone, and we hope to have all your power restored very soon.